Hey, it's your girl Grim here. Welcome back to D'Andrea Grim, also known as the Made by Grim channel. So as promised, I just wanted to bring you guys my 2 to 3 week update just on my fitness journey, as well as working out with my KOR Fitness Waist Eraser. Now, I don't have any video clips for you guys unless you've been watching me on my Snapchat or my Instagram. I have a highlight for my Fit Mom-ish where you guys can see some workout tips there, what I look like when I'm working out on a daily basis, maybe some food tips that I have in my highlights. It all pretty much depends, but my workout has been going smooth. I've been trying to go to the gym now about 3 to 5 times a week. I make sure to make it there at least 3 times, but the goal is to really go 5 times. If the weather is warm enough, I do make it to the park to do a cardio workout there, but we have been weight training hard in the gym, especially working on a lot of ab workouts in the gym. I haven't really been doing arms too much, so they're still definitely flabby. We haven't gotten that, fleeked out yet, but we have been doing a lot of leg workouts. I think I prefer the gym over the park just because of the weight training, but I do prefer the park in the sense of me trying to lose a few pounds that I have been trying to lose. But in Alabama, it's pretty cold right now, so like I was saying, guys, with the KO Waist Eraser and going hard in the gym as far as weight training my legs, it's like you can literally see the fat is beginning to melt from your stomach and it's going to all the right places. I even got my sister up on the KO Waist Eraser, and she goes to the gym 7 days a week. Her stomach is so nice. She sent me a picture of her stomach after a week of using it and doing serious ab training. Bruh, I'm about to start her ab workout, and the ab workout she gave me was an in-home ab workout, so I should be able to set up my tripod and my camera and my lighting. That way I can bring it to you guys to my channel. But I definitely want to try and start bringing my mini tripod with me when I go to the park for workouts as well as to the gym, just so I can sit there and record it, because I normally don't have a partner at the gym, so it makes it a little bit hard. When I used to go with my mom, she used to record all my workout videos, but unfortunately, that was before I was featuring fitness on my channel. But I just want to give you guys an update of what the KO Waist Eraser is looking like. So we're going to bring you down. So if you guys notice any difference, I do have a slight more curve now inside my KO Waist Eraser compared to week 1. Well, day 1 from week 1 when I started, as well as in my back. And it still fits lovely. As always, you can adjust it with the extra straps you're given, and I have been able to go tighter. I think when I started on week 1, if I remember correctly, I was only able to get the name over the name. Now I'm actually able to go past that, so I'm about a good 2 to 3 inches past that now. And yes, I did do an ab workout this morning at the gym, and if I go 3 days a week, I normally do an ab, arms, and leg workout. If I go 5 days, then I'll do legs twice, abs twice, and arms once, with a little bit of conditioning on everything. So this is just with a 2.5 week update. Guys, I do plan on starting a newer diet, or going back to one of my old diets that I used to be on, especially after I first had my son. And it wasn't really a diet, it was just more so a lot more fruits and vegetables. I did a lot more smoothies and protein drinks, which is what I'm really trying to go back to. That way I don't lose too much weight, because I do want to keep some of it on, as I told you guys. But I want it full on toned and muscle, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated with my fitness journey, especially as far as my workouts. That ab workout my sister sent me, I will get on recording that. Probably not the first time I do it, because I might die and that'll be embarrassing. So once I get that down to a T, I'll definitely bring that here to share with you guys, because I don't know, man. She got some serious dedication. She's a mommy too, and her stomach is so nice. That is pure on fit mom goals. I'm not mad at her at all. Misha, I'm not mad at you, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this update. Can't wait to see my next one. As always, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thumbs up, comment below any type of workout tutorials you guys would like to see, and I'll check you guys out later. Bye.